today's video, I'm going to share with you one of my favorite variations of the boxer's rear toe tap. Instead of doing one tap on each foot in an alternate fashion, I'm going to do two. You might have seen some boxers perform this move. It's awesome. It's really fun to do. It looks cool. A great boxer skip move. So let's go. What does it consist of? Well, basically, the double tap, the double rear toe tap, you're going to be doing two taps with one foot, as the name suggests, in the rear before changing over to doing two taps with the opposite foot. So here, let's say I'm doing the regular 2-foot hop. I'm going to go into two toe taps, tap, tap, and then I'm going to transition over to the opposite foot and do two toe taps. Okay, so I just did two taps on the left. Now I'm going to go back to the right, tap, tap, back to the left, tap, tap. Okay, so let's see what this move looks like with a rope, and I'll perform it at different speeds so you can see what's going on. So here I'm doing the regular 2-foot hop, and I'm going to do double rear toe taps. 2 with the left and then 2 with the right, and then repeat. Slow down. So that is the boxer's double rear toe tap. Doing two taps, you get into a nice rhythm. Of course, as you get better at the move, you can do additional taps. Maybe do 3 or 4 with one foot before doing 3 or 4 with the other foot. But you'll often see boxers, if you go to a boxing club, for example, you might see them doing the double toe tap, performing 2 taps with one foot and then going into 2 taps with the other foot. So try this move out. It's really cool. Watch the previous video, learn how to do the basic toe tap, and then you can go through the different variations and then try this one of my favorites. Tap, tap. Okay, if we're standing still, we'll go up on our toes and balls of our feet as we do when we're jumping rope. Jump over the rope, tap, tap, jump back over the rope, tap, 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 tap.
Stepping forward with your front foot as you extend your front fist towards your opponent. However, because we're jumping rope, we're not going to be punching. Instead, in this video, we're going to be focusing on the footwork. So let's get to it.